gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess, and today's video is going to be a hair review on this hair that I got from Luxury Hair Silhouette. Okay, so this is their Cambodian Rich Wavy Curly, and I have it in 26, 24, 22, and I have a matching 20-inch lace closure. This is a wig that I created, and if you want to inquire about having me make you a wig, you can email me at vanityinsanity119@gmail.com. Right now I'm only making closure wigs, okay, no frontals. All right, so previously I have already reviewed their hair. I reviewed the Cambodian Luxe Natural Wave, and I will have that video down in the bottom bar because that hair is so bomb. I still rock that hair to this day. It is so amazing. So I definitely wanted to try another texture when she reached out to me to kind of do this review. Okay, so the difference between the Wavy Curly and the Natural Wave is basically the pattern. Okay, so the quality is still there, but the pattern is different. So the Natural Wave, I will have that listed down in the bottom bar if you want to see how it looks and if you want to see my full review on that hair. But in this video we're going to speak only about this hair. Okay, so this is